School districts all across North Texas having to shut down campuses here and there. It's all to address budget deficits and enrollment declines, of course. But in Carrollton-Farmers Branch ISD specifically, some parents there and community members are fighting back, and they're doing that in court. Our Caroline Vandergrift taking us through the lawsuit that was recently filed. It's all new for you at 4:30.
With just 6 weeks to go until the start of the school year,
we can't just sit back and be quiet.
A coalition of parents and community members wants a court to halt the plan to shut down 4 schools in Carrollton-Farmers Branch ISD. The school board approved the closures back in March.
We understand that in this environment, closures are probably necessary, but if we don't actually understand the basis for those closures, it's very difficult to accept that good community schools have to go. We need to have that discussion out in public, and it is a legal requirement that that discussion happens out in public.
Candace Valenzuela is one of 13 plaintiffs filing a lawsuit against 5 board members, the superintendent, and the district. They allege that school officials and trustees violated state transparency and nepotism laws while pushing forward a secretive school closure proposal. The group is asking a judge to not only prevent the implementation of the plan, but to also remove both the board members involved and the superintendent.
We need to make sure that our district is doing what it needs to do and serve our children first and foremost.
The plaintiffs say even if the outcome ultimately ends up the same, the process to get there needs to be redone in accordance with state laws.
And so that's why we as parents feel it's really important that we move forward to make sure that we have the transparency we're legally obligated to have.
A judge denied their petition for a temporary restraining order against the plan, but will consider a temporary and permanent injunction along with a declaratory judgment to return things to the status quo. I did reach out to the district and the board members named in the filing. The district told me they have received the lawsuit, but they cannot comment on pending litigation. In Carrollton, I'm Caroline Vandergrift, CBS News, Texas.